Hey y'all, this is Dave, your host for Da Mom Smokes. We're gonna make chimichangas today, so stay tuned. Alright y'all, tonight we're going to make chimichangas. Now this is a recipe that my friend Rochelle told me about. She posted it on Facebook and it sounded really good and it looked really good too. Her photos of it were really good, so I went ahead and decided I was going to make some too. We're going to use some roast beef chopped up. And she didn't add any olives or red onions to hers, but I'm going to do that. She did add the Colby Jack cheese and then burrito. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a burrito. We're going to fill the burrito with this and we're going to seal the burrito all the way around, and we're going to I'm going to do mine in the air fryer, although you can do it in a frying pan if you want to. So let's get started. Let's start off with a little bit of roast beef here. And some sliced black olives on top of that. Now the red onion. And then the Colby Jack cheese. I like a lot of cheese in mine. Now we're going to fold this thing up to where it doesn't leak. We're going to use some toothpicks to ensure that they don't come open. And this is all there is to it, pretty much. We're going to be ready to put them in the air fryer now. Put a little oil in the air fryer. Set that thing for number 4 with the bottom element on and no paddle inside for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, there we have nice golden and crisp, delicious chimichangas. That roast beef is really good in there. I got me a Ruthless by Sierra Nevada. We're gonna try that. Here you go, folks. Oh wow. I hope you like those chimichangas. You can probably do a bunch of different things to them. But thank you, Rochelle, for letting me use your recipe. I kind of added a little bit to it, but basically it was about the same thing. So if y'all enjoyed that video, click the thumbs up. And for those of you who have not subscribed yet, click the subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to leave a comment, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you can leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And remember, folks, don't take this day for granted, because when it's gone, it's gone. Cheers, y'all.